today we'll see how I created these actions. Yeah, so let's go back to this tab, start working on these. First we'll do some modification in here, reduce the size. Title is in the background. We'll do the custom colors. We'll text it. So yeah, I'm creating one more measure that will help me to color the background of this status based on the output. So let's say color. So based on the values either 0, -1 or 1, I can set the color. So we'll go to this effects option for the color. We'll set some rules based on the field color. Yes. Let's say if the value is -1, we'll set the color to support 0. We'll set it as view. And if it is 1, we'll set it green. We'll take green color. So right now it's keep going to its view. If I just click on this, you lose this red, and if we click all the that's yep, so it's working. So now we'll insert our reset image. So we'll go to insert and we'll go to images. You can position it anywhere, and then we'll go to view, bookmarks, and selection tree. Okay, so right now this is the view. I will just add a bookmark. Just reset. Go to this image. Go to this action and select the bookmark as reset. So now what it will do, so let's say if I select anything in random, so if I have to deselect, I just click on this reset and it will reset the page. So now basically you don't need to deselect by clicking it again. Clicking on this reset, what it will do, whatever the view you have stored in this, the data, the display, and the current page, and all the visual will be reset to that. And if you want to update it, you can just click on this and update. It will take the new image. Any doubts in this reset? Okay. Then let's move. So now we have completed this page. So we have all the image and we have our reset button working. Now what we need to do is we need to develop this home page. So for that, what we'll do, in the same page we'll insert another picture. First, let's open selection page, and what I will do, I will select all these layers. So in PowerBI, basically selection pane gives you the details of what you have added on the tab, okay, and the sequence order. So the lowest sequence is a text box, then this slicer, status, and image. So let's say if I keep it over this. Right now, because the image is over status, so that's why we are seeing the image. But if I do this, so status is come over the image. So this helps you set what you want to view. So we can just keep it back, and what I will do, I will select all these 4 and right click and create a group of it. And I'll just rename this as game. Okay, so now these whole things are grouped. So whenever I move anything or create anything, that would be applied on the complete group instead of single image. So now once we are done with this, we'll go to insert and we'll insert another image that will work as a background. So now we have this background. We'll go to and adding on another images. Start. And we can add our text like we had in here. So right now I'm just going to copy them. Let's create on our own insert a text box. To insert that emoji, just click on Windows icon and dot. You can just choose your emoji. So for us, another one is food item. Let's go with this text only. So we have this image and the text, and one more thing we want to add is that a button, a bookmark, position it somewhere here. Okay. So for this bookmark, what we want, first section we want in the bookmark is instead of bookmark, it will work as a web URL, and for a time being I have given the URL of the workout Wednesday from where which I found this question. So we can just copy this URL in here, go to our the section and type the web URL in this. So now whenever we click on this, it will take to this that URL. This section is done. What we'll do, we'll create a set of these 3 as well. And for this section, we'll click on this image and put an action here saying that once we click on this start game, take us to bookmark, and the bookmark name is reset. Like if you click on this, control and click. So we need to update our bookmarks now. We have to move this image to box. what we'll do, we'll go to our bookmarks again. So now we need to update our bookmark. So if you click on update, so now it has taken this image. Previously what it was doing, it was taking the start image as bookmark. So this orientation, we have to take care of orientation. So now it's done. So now if I click on this, it will take me here. And the last thing we will add is a bookmark again, that will take us to the home page. For that, we just insert another image. Yeah, so now we'll bring our bookmark section again. Just going to update this, and create a new bookmark. Start page. Go to this image, put an action. So yeah, so now these instructions are ready and all the click is working. So if you click on this, it will take you to web URL here. So if I click on this, it will gonna take me to the web URL back in this tab. If I click on this, the game would start. Yeah. If you click on this, and you can just select the image, the status will change automatically based on selection. And just click on this reset, and it will reset the tab. And one thing was that whenever I refresh this tab, the orientation of these images will change. Yeah, so the image's position has been changed. So yeah, these are the Power BI actions that you can use. And as you can see, the whole thing was made on the same tab. So it gives you, once you publish it, it gives you a feel of like website, because you are not it's not taking to a different tab. Everything is happening on this tab. Any doubts on this?
No, sir. All good from my end.
Yeah, I think that's all from my side.